Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're diving into the Evo Lite series, a lineup of drones that aims to deliver professional-grade aerial photography in a package that's both approachable and feature-packed. The Evo Lite series is audio step forward for creators who want a balance of portability, image quality, and intelligent flight features without breaking into the ultra-premium price bracket. The first thing that stands out is the build quality. The Evo Lite drones are compact and lightweight, folding down neatly for travel, yet they feel solid in the hand. The materials are high quality, with a design that feels durable enough to handle frequent flights, and the folding arms lock into place with satisfying precision. The aerodynamic profile is sleek, and the vibrant color options, including Audio's signature orange, make it easy to spot in the sky. Camera performance is where the Evo Lite series really shines. The flagship model in the series features a large 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 6K video and high-resolution stills with exceptional clarity. Even the smaller sensor options in the series hold their own, delivering sharp, vibrant images that hold detail in both highlights and shadows. The adjustable aperture gives you more creative control, letting you adapt to changing lighting conditions, mid-flight. Low light performance is impressive thanks to Audio's intelligent noise reduction and high dynamic range capture, whether you're shooting golden hour landscapes or city skylines at night. The Evo Lite series manages to maintain sharpness and accurate colors without excessive grain. Flight performance is smooth and stable. The series uses a robust GPS and vision positioning system that keeps the drone locked in place even in breezy conditions. Controls are responsive, and the drone reacts quickly to input, making it feel confident and predictable in the air. Flight times are excellent, pushing up to 40 minutes on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to set up your shots without feeling rushed. One of the biggest strengths of the Evo Lite series is its intelligent shooting modes. Features like Dynamic Track 2.1 allow the drone to follow subjects with impressive accuracy, avoiding obstacles in real time. There are creative modes like Orbit, Rocket, and Waypoint navigation that make it easy to capture cinematic shots even if you're new to flying drones. The automatic scene detection can also optimize camera settings for different environments. The transmission system is strong, offering up to 12 kilometers of range with a stable low-latency feed to your controller or smartphone. This gives you confidence to explore new angles and distances without worrying about losing signal. Battery charging is straightforward, and extra batteries are available for extended shoots. While the charging time isn't the fastest, the long flight time per battery means you're not swapping them out too often. Audio isn't usually a selling point for drones, but Audio's remote controllers are comfortable to hold, with tactile buttons and customizable controls. The integration with the Outhall Sky app is smooth, giving you a clear live view, easy access to settings, and quick transfer of footage to your phone. Price-wise, the Evo Lite series offers strong value. It sits below ultra-premium drones like the DJI Mavic 3, but offers many of the same capabilities, making it a smart choice for serious hobbyists and professionals who want quality without overspending. Pros include outstanding camera quality, long flight time, stable performance, intelligent tracking, and strong build quality. Cons might be the slower battery charging and the fact that some advanced features require practice to master. Final verdict: the Evo Lite series is a fantastic middle ground between entry-level and high-end drones. It delivers professional-looking results, reliable performance, and user-friendly features in a compact, travel-ready package. If you're a creator who wants great aerial footage without stepping into the most expensive tier, the Evo Lite series deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss our latest in-depth tech breakdowns.